Hi everyone, and welcome to Fotopia Capture tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to create a batch class and make all the configurations related to its workflow, separation, content type, and quality assurance. A document type for invoices has already been created, as was shown in the Creating a Document Type video. And now I will create a batch class for the invoices. Please note that you must be logged in as an administrator to have access to this feature. Click on Batch Class. As you can see, on the left there are 3 batches that were already created, and now I will create a new one which I will call Invoice. And then I will create a naming formula by entering the same name once more, followed by a dash, and then selecting, for example, date, time, and auto-increment index, which means that when any batch will be exported, it will be called Invoice and have the name and time of its export and will carry a serial number that will start from 1. Now we will move to Workflow, where you will determine the workflow that all the documents in this batch will go through. As you can see, you can choose to include all the steps or skip some of them. I will go ahead and choose the last option, which means that all documents in this batch will be scanned and then indexed and then verified and then finally exported. Now let's click on Separation. This is where you determine how the documents in this batch will be separated from one another. You can separate the documents by a barcode, or automatically have every scanned page placed in a separate document, or you can determine the number of pages per document. So for example, every 3 pages will be placed in a separate document. And finally, you can select No Separation so that all the scanned pages will be placed in one document. And now we will explore content type. These are the already existing document types, and you can select one document type or more and associate them with this batch class. But I will only select the invoice document type. External query mapping is for connecting to other data sources like Oracle, SQL Server, and Excel, which will be explained in another video called Database and Excel Integration. The quality feature enables you to configure the quality assurance settings. The first percentage denotes the percentage of documents to be verified from the total number in a particular batch. I will set it to 50% as an example. This means that exactly half of the documents in this batch will be verified, and the system will randomly select them. The second percentage denotes the acceptable percentage of error, which, if exceeded, you will be notified and then have the right to reject the batch. Finally, we have the Attributes tab, which is concerned with global attributes, and that will also be explained in another video. Now that we have covered all the configurations, click on Save, and the Invoice batch class now appears on the left. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.